You can solve any 2x2 cube in just 3 simple steps. We start by putting white down, so let's choose this piece, and we want to find the piece with blue in this case next to it. So let's see, this one has red, here we have blue. We spin it on top, and then we do a simple movement of 4 moves. We go up, left, down, right, and it's already in place. And we can spin the cube, find the red piece. Here we could actually do just like this, and it's in place. And then we have our last piece, which is green, and we're gonna do the same moves again. Up, left, down, right, and it's in place. Sometimes you need to spin that a couple of rounds before they match into place, but the movement is always the same. I can show it here again. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, right, left, down, and it's back into place as you saw. The next step, step number 2, is to align the right colors in the right corners. So here we'd like to have green, orange, and yellow. This piece is here, we can spin it into place. And we want to have only one of these corners matching. We can have all 4, which is also okay, that's the goal, or we have 2. 2 is not good, it will not resolve the cube. So in this case we have 2, we have this and this corner in place. This is not optimum, so let's try to spin around. We have now just this corner in place, this is not, and this is not. That's good. And then we can start by doing a new sequence. It's also simple. This one has 8 steps. We go left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. This one's still in place. Now this one's also in place. This one's in place, and this one is in place. That's great. Then we can turn the cube upside down like this, with white facing up. And we have 2 pieces that are already perfectly in place. We spin them to the back, and when we start with the first corner that's not fully solved here, and we do the same simple movements as in the beginning. We go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Now you see it's in place because these colors are matching and yellow is done. When we have that, we're gonna spin the lower layer just 90 degrees here to the right, and we repeat the same sequence. We go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And as you can see, the cube has been solved. Very simple, good starting point. If you want to start playing with the cubes, maybe this is the easiest one to start with, or you want to teach your kids. Very simple and only 3 steps to solve it. So actually very, very nice way to get used to solving these cubes. And that's all, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.